Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we will guide you through how you can know that if someone has blocked you on Telegram. So it's pretty simple. For example, on the top, I have my friend here. But as you can see here that he has recently blocked me. Now, what is the sign if someone has blocked you? First of all, you won't be able to see their profile picture, and also you will see last seen long time ago. So that might be the case if they are not using it for a very long time. But if you already know that they just messaged you recently and it started appearing last seen a long time ago, that means that the person has blocked you. And also if you try to call this person, so for example, let me just try to call this, it shows failed to connect. So it shows you, sorry, you cannot call my friend because of their privacy settings. You can ask them to modify their settings or to call you instead. So this is the indication that someone has blocked you, your friend has blocked you from the Telegram. So what you can do here, you cannot do any particular thing. What you can do is you can contact them on other social media app and they might be able to check into it. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can know if someone has blocked you on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful, and if guys you want to learn more about Telegram, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.